Looking for the perfect travel companion for your folding bike? Introducing the ultimate solution, a waterproof carrying bag designed for your 20-inch folding bike. Take your cycling adventures to the next level with our bike cover transport bag that offers both protection and convenience. Never worry about the elements while transporting your bike again. Our waterproof Cycle Lounge luggage bag has got you covered. Whether you ride a road, sport, or mountain bicycle, this storage bag is the ideal choice for keeping your bike safe during travel. Say goodbye to bulky and inconvenient bike transport options. Our Bike Will pocket bags make traveling with your bike a breeze. Experience the freedom of traveling with your bike wherever your adventures take you with our versatile and durable carrying case. Don't let anything hold you back from exploring. Get your hands on this must-have bike storage solution today. Elevate your cycling experience with our high-quality and reliable bicycle carrying case that is designed to meet all your travel needs. Join the countless cyclists who have already upgraded their travel gear with our top-of-the-line 20-inch folding bike bag.